Curling is a great winter sport. Curly hair can be really cool. But curling linoleum, we're going to show you how to fix that so you don't have to get new flooring. Welcome to the Pirate Handyman, where we teach you how to be self-sufficient and even save some coin for your treasure chest. If you dig what we're doing, join our crew. Hit that subscribe button down below. And if you hit that chip's notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new tip comes out. So here's what we're going to do today. We've got some linoleum where it's splitting at the seam and it's curling up. Now, you might think that, oh, we have to get new flooring now. You don't. You can fix it, and we're going to show you how. So let's look down here. Now you can see here we've got a seam, and the linoleum is curling up. It's been down for about 15 years or so. So the first thing that we have to do is get some space in there so we can get the glue underneath, and then also clean out anything that's in there so the glue will stick. So the first thing that we've got to do is get the linoleum to where it's pliable. So you can just take a regular hair dryer, and we're going to put it on there for a couple of minutes, and then pull it up with this putty knife. Okay, now once you've got that, you'll notice that in some places I stopped because it didn't want to come up. You don't want to tear the linoleum, so just let that go. Now we're going to get in here and just scrape underneath here. See if we can get some of that old stuff out of there. Get it loosened up. And so now we're just going to vacuum it out of there. I'm going to be using an all-purpose adhesive. You want to make sure that whatever kind of floor adhesive you're using, in this case, is either made for linoleum or is an all-purpose. You don't want to get a tile adhesive. It won't work as well. So we're going to put some on the putty knife. Work it in underneath. And we'll do the same on the other side. continue to to work our way down. Make sure you get it worked back in there as far as you can. And then using a wet rag, just wipe off the excess. Just make sure the rag is damp, not wet, because you don't want water going in underneath there. All right, so now we're going to use a rolling pin. I'm going to put some wax paper down because my wife wouldn't like it if I got floor adhesive on her rolling pin. You just want to roll it down. So now that we've got it fairly squished, we're going to clean the excess glue that came out. Just get that wiped off. Then I'm still going to put this down. Now what we're going to do is put a piece of wood and some weights down. Now you can use a 2x4, you can use any type of wood that's flat, but make sure the wood itself is flat and not curled. And it can be wider than this. And then you want to put some weight on it. You can use bricks, you can use cinder blocks. In my case, I've got these old things that aren't good for anything anymore anyway. So I'm going to put them down. Get a good amount of weight on there. Now this is going to take about 12 hours to cure. So what should we do for 12 hours? Alright, so now we've let this sit overnight and here's the first look. Let's see how our adhesive held up. Take all the weights off. And you can see it is all set down now. We've got a little bit of a space in there, but we're going to use some caulking to put in there, and that won't pull it together, but it'll keep the dirt and the moisture from getting down inside. So thanks for joining the Pirate Handyman, and we hope you will join the crew. Hit that subscribe button down below, join the crew, and if you hit that notification bell, it'll also tell you when a new tip comes out. Because the reason we're here is to help you become more self-sufficient and save coin for your treasure chest. Here's some smooth sailing.